Hi there, welcome to my English Learning Corner. And today we are looking at adverbs. So, adverbs are words that give more information about a verb, an adjective, an adverb, or a phrase. First, we are going to look at some common and commonly used adverbs in English. So, not means something will not happen, it's not okay. When refers to time. So, when will we do this? Or when will this happen? We also have there. So, there is something that is far away from you. You cannot touch it. So, you are sitting there. I cannot touch you because you are on the other side of the screen. How? So, how can you do something? How do you write? How do you make tea? How do you smile? Like this. Next one will be so. So refers to a quantity. So we can say, can you give me so much? Or, so how much will this be? So it's like an extension of a previous thought. Then we have then. Then it follows on something else. So we have already spoken about something, and then we start speaking about something new. Out is like going out a door. So you can go outside, come back inside, out. We also have up, which means going upwards. So we can say, I am going up with the elevator. We also have no. No refers to the same as not. So it is saying, no, it will not happen. Stop. And then we have first. First refers to the first thing in a list. So if I say apples, pears, bananas, then apples are the first thing on the list. Pears are second, and bananas are third. Now refers to what are you doing right now? So now you are looking at me, learning about now. So it is something that you are currently doing in the moment that is described by now. We also have only. Only refers to one part, one thing, or one section. So we can say, I only like bananas. So that means out of all the fruit, peaches, pears, grapefruits, oranges, I don't know what else, I only like bananas. So there's one thing that I like. Or I can say, I am only allowed to write with a blue pen in school. Much. Much refers to a group of things. So, how much do you have? Or this can be how much time, how much money. So this will be everything together. How much is it? What is the amount? What number? Next, we have where. Where is looking for a location. So where are you from? Or where are you at the moment? Are you at work? Are you at home? Are you at school? Are you outside? Who knows? So where are you? We also have just. So we can say just a little bit longer, or please wait just a little bit, or can you just listen to me? This will be like saying something to get your attention. We also have very. So very can be large or small. So we can say, I have a very large closet, but I have a very small dog. The larger or the smaller side. It can describe both the positive and the negative. Then we have before, and before refers to a previous time in the past. So, what did you do before yesterday? So, I think yesterday was Monday. Yeah. So, Monday. So, what did you do on Sunday? But instead of saying Sunday, we say, what did you do before yesterday? So, 2 days ago. Two refers to adding something together or adding to an idea. So let's say, I would like to go to a restaurant to eat some food. Would you like to go? And then you can respond with, yeah, I would like to go too. So it's like you're adding your idea to my idea. It's you agree with me. We have also, and also has a similar function as to. We can say, I also want to go to the movies, or I also want to go and eat food. Next, we have around. So if we have a mug, what is around the mug? So this will be air, obviously. And it's not inside, it's around. So in the area of. So we can call a friend and say, are you around? We are at this place. Would you like to join? And then the friend can respond with yes or no. Again, refers to something that you want to repeat or that you want to have. So we can say, I am very thirsty. Could you bring me some water again, please? Or we can say, I would like to go to the beach again. It was really fun. So you did something first and then you want to repeat what you already did. Next, we have why. The dreaded question why. This is a very useful question, but many parents feel like it's a dreaded question. Why do you think that? Because you can always ask why to anything. So, why is like asking for more information or a reason for the information. If I say, I really like blue shoes, why blue shoes? So then I have to explain why do I like blue shoes? And that why I need to explain then. So I have to give a reason for what I like or what I think or my opinion. Next, we have here. So, where am I? I am here in your screen. That would be the place where you are right now. We also have well, and this refers to something good. So, how well are you doing? I'm getting an A in school. Or, are you well today? Yes, I'm doing very well today. So, well refers to a good action or a good feeling. Off, off will be off of something. I have a coaster and a mug. So the mug is off of the coaster or the mug is on the coaster. Off, on. Off, on. You see what I did there? Anyway. So next one will be away. When you are going on holiday, you are going away. So you are leaving your house. You're going to a different place. Then we also have near. So if I'm sitting here, I am a certain distance from my camera. But if I do this, then I am near my camera. We also have below, and below will be, let's use the mug and the coaster again. So the mug is on top of the coaster, but the coaster is below the mug. So this one below, this one above, below, above. And then we have together. So together refers to a group of things that become one thing, if that makes sense. Let's try. So if I put the mug on top of the coaster, they are together because I don't want wet rings on my table. So together, separate, together, and separate. So two things, two or more things that become one. So I can also say, I will go to the restaurant with my friends. We are going together. So that means we are literally walking to the restaurant in a group. Then we have always. So always refers to a frequency of something that happens regularly or daily. So the sun is always coming up in the morning and going down at night. Then we also have never. And never shows a frequency of something that has never happened before. It has not. So I can say, I have never been to the beach, or I have never seen snow. We also have last, and last will be the very last thing on a list. So if I say, I have two pink pens, I have two green pens, I have a red pen, and I have an orange pen, then the orange one will be last because it was number 1, 2, 3, 4 in the row, right? Then we have often. So, how often do you visit your grandparents? Or how often do you go to school? So, often shows you consistency. So, how many times, or how many days, or how much time do you spend doing something? Then we also have once. So, this means something happened one time, or it only will happen if something else happens. So we can say, I will get a job once I graduate. So I have to graduate and then I can get the, what is this? Then I can get the job. Or I can say, I have only gone to America once. So it means you visited the country one time. Then we also have later. Later refers to not in this time, but maybe at a later time. So if I say, can you meet me at 12 p.m.? And you're like, well, maybe 1 p.m. would be better. Okay, we can make it later. So then I'm saying that your 1 p.m. is a good idea too. Far refers to a distance. So, how far did you travel from your home to America if you're not in America? Or how far did you travel from your home to school? Then we also have really. And really has many different ways of using. This can refer to someone not believing what you're saying. So, you told me that you visited America. Really? I can't believe that. That would be one way of using it. And then we also have, it is really important for you to listen and understand your teacher so that you can pass the exams. So, really will refer to an urgency or something very important. Next, we have almost. So, almost is like saying not there yet. So, if you are traveling from your home to school and your mom asks you, are you at school? And you're not there yet, then you can say, I am almost at school. So maybe you can see the school, but you're not at the school or in the school building yet. Second to last, we have sometimes. So, how many times do you like to go play volleyball? I sometimes like to go play volleyball. So, maybe once a week or twice a week. So, this is sometimes. And then last one, we have soon. So, how soon can you be here? I would like to be there soon. So, this means that a short amount of time is acceptable, but not too long. That was a mouthful. I really hope that you have enjoyed this piece on adverbs and that you have learned something useful. Enjoy your day.